What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So a while ago, me and the guys were planning this camping trip out in the middle of Death Valley somewhere. It ends up being this weekend. However, it's been really cold here in Southern California, so I don't know if I want to tent it. I'm taking the Land Cruiser, and just in case, I think I'm gonna take out the rear seats. Now, if you own one of these Land Cruisers, you already know the rear seats don't come out or they don't fold flat. They actually fold forward and then up like this, which is good if you want to keep the seats in there, but if you're looking for maximum space, the seats have got to come out. All of the tools that I use in this video will be in the description below, so make sure you check it out. If you've ever wondered how to take the seats out of your 100 series Land Cruiser, here's how it's done. This is my 1999 Toyota Land Cruiser. The procedure is going to be the same on any 100 series Land Cruiser models, so any Land Cruiser or Lexus LX470 from 1998 to 2006. On the passenger side, put the backrest all the way down, then move the seat all the way up like you normally would. With the seat up, this is what you would see. There's these two little plastic caps on the bottom of the seat that need to come out. Just give them a light tug on each side and they come right off. Underneath the caps, you'll find four 14mm bolts. These guys will need to come out. I'm using a Milwaukee electric impact here to make quick work of these bolts. Once the bolts are out, you should be able to remove the seat. Here, I put the bolts back into the holes so I don't lose them. This is what the passenger side looks like with the rear seat removed. Now for the driver's side, we're going to do the same thing and put the backrest down and the seat up. On the driver's side, mine was already missing one of the plastic caps, so less work for me. The driver's side also has four 14mm bolts that come out. After you take out the four bolts, the seat should move freely. Just a word of warning though. The driver's side is a lot heavier than the passenger side, so you might want to get a friend to help you lift it out. Just like I did on the passenger side, I put the bolts back in and tighten them down, so I know where they're at when I need to reinstall the seat. And here you are. Now you have the ultimate go-anywhere, two-seater Toyota Land Cruiser camping vehicle. And that's it, not hard at all. You also probably noticed that the bigger rear seat is a lot heavier than the smaller one. So when you're reinstalling them, make sure you have somebody there to help you out with that one big one. Other than that, it's very simple. How did your seats come out? Was it just as easy? Let me know in the comments down below. Hopefully this video helped you out in one way or another. And don't forget to like and subscribe.